Okay, this is the Dada-inspired collage self-portrait project. Dada was an art movement that began in the 1920s, an anti-art movement who stressed the absurd and the random in art. You will find at least 3 or more collaged things, plus 1 or more hand-rendered, meaning hand-drawn, painted techniques that you'll show in this piece. These be 12 by 15 inches total. It's a self-portrait, and you need to convey something about yourself visually in this self-portrait. Remember, you'll need to consider and you'll be graded on craftsmanship, composition, using the proper elements of design, and of course, the successful conveying of the meaning of the piece, okay? Gather up your materials first and consider what mediums you're going to be using, mostly wet mediums or dry. It's going to make a difference on which board or paper you use. Bristol doesn't hold up as well to really wet materials as, say, watercolor or maybe illustration board, okay? Experiment with adhesives before you start gluing things down and expect some trial and error there, okay? Glue sticks work pretty well. Sometimes you may want to actually acrylic gel medium a whole thing over the top of it, or you may want to Mod Podge something down. Leaves a shiny surface. You'll have to be careful about that. Rubber cement works sometimes really well. Sometimes it stains, but what's nice about rubber cement is that if it dries and it comes out underneath the edges of the piece, of the collage piece, all you do is wait for it to dry and then just try to rub it off, and it'll rub away. So it's nice and easy cleanup there. Plan out your collage prior to assembly, because you may want to draw under and collage over, or you may want to collage under and draw over, or both. So planning is important, okay? Here are some examples. You'll see how some of these random things have been put together in these collage pieces. They do convey something about the person, though, okay? Here's some more. Consider different places you could find collage things, whether it's magazines, newspapers, decorative papers, wrapping papers, stamps if you've got them. Make your own stamps using foam plates. That's pretty easy to do. Maybe there's old letters or memorabilia that means something to you, okay? Photographs can be used, anything off the internet, okay? Can be cut out, printed, etc. Citrusol transfer techniques would be acceptable as well. And some more here, okay? Please email me when you need help. I will like to see some of your work in progress, but I will look online for that announcement to say, please get me your preliminary drafts or some sketches, ideas, or something later, okay? I'm going to give you a week to get started, okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.